Can you use roof racks on BMW models? Yes, you can use roof racks on most BMW models. However, it is important to note that not all models are compatible with all types of roof racks. You will need to consult your BMW owner's manual or contact a BMW dealership to determine which roof rack system is compatible with your specific model. It is also important to follow all instructions carefully when installing a roof rack on your BMW. If not installed correctly, a roof rack can cause damage to your car or even pose a safety hazard. Can you use rooftop cargo boxes on BMW models? Yes, you can use rooftop cargo boxes on BMW models. There are a few things to keep in mind, however. First, make sure that your box is compatible with the roof rack system on your particular BMW model. Second, be aware that the added weight of the box may affect your car's performance, so be sure to follow the manufacturer's recommendations for loading and weight limitations. With these considerations in mind, you can enjoy the extra storage and convenience that a rooftop cargo box provides. What can you do with a rooftop cargo carrier? A rooftop cargo carrier is a great way to increase your vehicle's storage capacity. They are perfect for hauling larger items that won't fit inside your car, like camping gear, sports equipment, or extra luggage. Cargo carriers are available in a variety of sizes and styles to fit your needs. Some even come with features like wind fairings and weather-resistant material to help keep your gear protected from the elements. If you're thinking about adding a cargo carrier to your vehicle, here are a few things to keep in mind. First, you'll need to decide what size carrier you need. Then, you'll need to choose a style that fits your vehicle and your needs. Lastly, you'll need to decide how you want to mount the carrier to your vehicle. Cargo carriers are available in both permanent and temporary mounting options. Once you have all of these things sorted out, you're ready to start shopping for a cargo carrier. Be sure to compare prices and features to